Hey everyone, RobloxDev here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own loading screen inside Roblox Studio. So let's get right into it. So to start off, you want to locate where the replicated first service is. So you want to make sure you're not on replicated storage and you're on replicated first. And now once you found it, you want to hit plus and then you want to insert a local script. So once you have your local script, what you want to do is paste in the script and you'll have something that looks like this. So once you have this here, you want to close off that script and hit play. From here the script will work and you'll have a loading screen, but if you want to learn about how it works and how you can change things in it, please be sure to keep watching. So right here we get the player service, replicated first service, and tween service. Then we get our local player, and then we also get the player's GUI. Then we create a screen GUI and we put it in the player's GUI. And then we create a text label. Then we make the label say loading on it. And then we put it in the screen GUI. And then right here, we create a loading ring. So that ring actually spins around until we load. So right here, the loading screen stayed and then we loaded in and the game continued on. So this game takes pretty much no time to load. That's why we force it to load for a minimum amount of time, just so players actually get to see the loading screen. So I'm just gonna make that 2, or we can make it 3 just for the video. So right here, this is where they spin around the wheel, and right here is actually where they remove the default loading screen by doing replicated first and then attaching a function which is remove default loading screen. And right here we do if not game is loaded, then game.loaded wait. So basically what we're saying is if the game isn't loaded, just wait for it to be loaded, and then once it is loaded, destroy the screen GUI, and then anything under that can will be used. So if you want to combine this tutorial that you're watching right now with my main menu tutorial, which is coming out in just a day or so, you can do that, and they both will go together and you'll have a loading screen plus a main menu. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have your own loading screen in your game now. You can customize it to your liking by changing the color, changing the speed it rotates at, and all those sorts of things. And anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.